If you are looking for an awesome indoor-outdoor camera, you're going to want to check this one out. This is by Luna. This is their magnet cam, which I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like in a second. So right over here, you're going to get 2K resolution on this, two-way audio, color night vision, which is really, really cool. You got micro SD card support as well. Really, really nice. Of course, you get an app with this too. That's how you can operate this. So this is exactly what it looks like right here. Really, really nice. So you'll see here we got a nice long cable right here, and this comes off. So this is the cool part about this. This just snaps on here like a magnet, and then right down here we have the magnet. So this will connect to pretty much anything metal, and then you can kind of rotate the camera however you want, which is really, really nice. It is super stable. You get great picture, great audio on this, and of course it comes with everything else. It comes with a plug, so you can get this thing charged up. Just really, really great. I really like their cameras and all their apps. Super, super easy to use. I've definitely had other cameras in the past, and they are just super annoying to install. This one was super easy, works really, really well. So if you're looking for a great camera for indoor or outdoor, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to Brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.